Good morning class. In the last lecture, what we have discussed is that what is redundancy, what are the insertion, deletion and updation anomalies, and what is the solution to these anomalies, that is normalization. We have studied the definition of normalization, that normalization is the process of decomposing a table into multiple tables until we get to a stage where each table contains the data only about single entity type. Right now, again we are just revising this topic, that normalization is the process of organizing the data in the database. It helps to minimize the redundancy. It is used to eliminate the insertion, updation and deletion anomalies. It divides the larger table into smaller table and link them using the relationship. Relationship definitely means the primary key and the foreign key relationship. The normal form is used to reduce redundancy from the database table. I have told you in the last video that we have 4 different normalization or normal forms, that is 1NF, 2NF, 3NF and BCNF. Although we are having 4NF and 5NF also, that is not in your syllabus. So let's start with 1NF. 1NF, a relation will be in 1NF if it contains an atomic value. It states that an attribute of a table cannot hold multiple values, it must hold only single valued attribute. First normal form disallows multi-valued attribute. If you remember, we have studied multi-valued attribute, an attribute which can have multiple values. Composite attribute, again we have studied this. For example, I can break the name attribute into first name, middle name and last name and their combinations. Now we will see an example. In this table you can see we have employee phone as the multi-valued attribute, as each employee is having one or more values for the employee phone attribute. So this table currently is not in first normal form. To convert this table into first normal form, what we have to do is we have to divide each of the phone number, we have to split each of the phone number for each employee into multiple tables. The resultant table will look like this. Now you can see the John who was having 2 phone numbers 727 and this, we have splitted these 2 contact numbers, these 2 employee phone numbers into 2 different tuples, right? Harry was only having 1 employee phone. Sam is already also having 2 contact numbers. We will also split Sam into 2 different tuples. Now you can see this table is now in the first normal form. In the second video, in the next video we will be going to study the second normal form. Thank you.